Fourth and final example, children. If you are my students, I expect you have watched all three and you are eagerly anticipating this finale right here of hyperbolas and graphing hyperbolas and asymptotes and ooh, diagonals and yay. If you are Mrs. Palomo's or Mrs. Conrad's students, I hope that these have helped you. I'm sorry that you've had to deal with my annoying rambling, but if you really think it was terrible, just remember that my students have to deal with this every single day. And I'm sure that they miss me. Yes, all of you are nodding in agreement right now. I know you've missed me. I'll see you on Monday. So here we go. Y is first. So it is a vertical hyperbola. Okay. So starting with the center, remember when you are writing a vertical hyperbola and you're dealing with a vertical hyperbola and you're writing that center, you have to remember that that's your H and that is your K. You kind of have to switch the order. So it's going to be a 1, -5. My A squared is a 1, which leads me to have an A of 1. My B squared is a 9, which leads me to a B equals 3. And then the focus, or actually, let's do singular. Might as well. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So 1 plus a 9 equals a 10. So C equals the square root of 10. And that is like 3.16. So 3.2, rounding to the nearest tenth. Go and graph what you have. I have a center at 1, -5. So 1, -5, boom, center. Graph your A. Ooh, these are going to be really close. Your A is a 1. This is vertical. It opens up and down. So you graph your vertices up and down. So I went up 1 and down 1 from the center. There's each vertex. They're really kind of close. Sorry about that. Right and left for your covertices from your center over 3 for a covertex and to the left 3. 1, 2, 3 for a covertex. Okay. And then your focus 3.2 up and down, 3.2 up and down. So up 1, 2, 3.2-ish. So there's a focus. And from my center, remember everything is coming out from the center, down 1, 2, 3.2-ish. Okay. Make the rectangular box. I'm actually just going to stick with the regular pen. The other one's a little bit too much. So there we go. Starting from your vertex, going around, right? Making sure you hit each of the covertices and the other vertex. And then this one you can actually count out right now. Like you went up 1 and over 3, like going from the center to the right. So from the center to the right corner of your rectangular box, you went up 1 over 3. So up 1 over 3. I don't know why I did that. What is that doing that there? And then up 1 over 3. And then down 1 to the left 3, down 1 to the left 3 over here, down 1 to the left 3. So you can actually put your points in before you connect them with your dashed diagonal line. Okay, not great. I should have actually picked a different graph so we could have made this bigger. Sorry about that, guys. Going from your center to your lower right corner of the rectangular box, you went down 1 to the right 3. So from that point here, we're going to go down 1 to the right 3, down 1 to the right 3. Ooh, gosh, I'm there. Okay. So then connect that. Remember, these are your asymptotes, and yes, we have to write the equation later. So from the center to the upper left, we went up 1 to the left 3. So we go up 1 to the left 3, up 1 to the left 3. So there you go. You can now graph your hyperbola. I think I should, really get a cookie or something because I keep wanting to say ellipse every time I say hyperbola, and I do a nice job of not saying it. Make sure you do not cross your asymptotes, but you do cross. Hi, someone's at the door. Seriously, I'm in the middle now. See, now I'm going to post this because I don't stop videos and I don't create, like I'm almost done. All right, so then here we go. All right, then your asymptotes, y, e, no. Asymptotes. There we go. When you write this, lay your, I don't know what I just wrote. See, now I'm all discombobulated. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Okay, asymptotes. It's another teacher, by the way, that knocked on the door. Because, you know, that's what I needed right now. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Y minus a number. Plus or minus, we need a fraction because we have a slope. And then x minus a number. Your center goes in with your x, so it's a 1 and a negative 5. And then you count out. Remember, you're counting from your center of the rectangular box up to, so the center up to the right corner. We counted up 1 over 3. And those are the a's and the b's. So up 1 over 3. Make it pretty. Y plus 5 equals positive negative 1/3 times x minus 1. And there you have it. Fourth example. Sorry about the, interruption in this last one. But to be fair, I probably rambled more with the other three than I did with this one. So I'll see you guys on Monday.